Jill for today, and I've been out on a grocery haul. Wonderful Weight Watcher, low calorie, very healthy food actually. So I'm going to bring you down and I'm going to show you what I got today at the store. I am surrounded by all this goodness. I'll just start bringing it into the camera. Of course, got some egg beaters, or the artificial eggs, and got some of this wonderful stuff. If you've never tried it, it really is wonderful on vegetables, potatoes, broccoli, anything that you want that buttery thing happening with. It's really, really good. And we got the light string cheese, delicious, and some grape tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes there, and some beautiful blueberries, which are now beginning to get a little more affordable, so I'm happy about that. Got some tofu, gonna plan on a stir fry this week, and some fat-free cottage cheese, there we go, and some canned salmon. I'm going to make some salmon patties, and I'll probably bring you along for that. I have a recipe that is really good, and I think that I can make it as healthy as possible, so we're going to do that. I also bought some sardines. Now these are packed in olive oil, but they're awfully high in iron and minerals, and at this point in my health, which I'm having so many problems, I've read up, and this is a really good thing to help boost up a lot of those minerals and iron. So I bought a can of that, and I'll work it into my diet. I've got a dozen eggs, and then the veggies I got a bunch of oranges, beautiful oranges this time of year, and I bought a red pepper and an orange pepper. Those are real good. And I bought some celery. I don't know whether you've noticed this in your neighborhood or in grocery stores. This went up, like it skyrocketed in price. I'm not sure why. I even asked the clerk, nobody could help me with that. I bought some fresh broccoli, a couple of lemons, I don't think I mentioned those, and I bought some bananas. And then I bought a couple of limes. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try to make some limeade with some of the Truvia, and I'll see how that goes. If it's good, I'll make it on camera. And then a nice big bag of Fuji apples. And I think I showed you the oranges. I'm looking to see, some olives, a small can of olives. And I believe that is my haul. So that's my haul. I think I got some great stuff. I didn't really keep track of the pricing on this because of course there was all the other things, the incidentals, the shampoo, the aluminum foil, all those things that I had to buy this week. But I think they did pretty well. Like the oranges were 98 cents a pound. The apples were 87 cents a pound, and they are gorgeous. So, those were the big ones, except for that celery. My gosh, that went up. Blueberries I got for $1.79, which I thought was good. The cherry tomatoes, it was buy 2 baskets, get 1 free, but I only bought 1. It was 2 for 1 is what it was, and I think they were $1.29. And then of course the lemons are 39 cents, and that sort of thing. So I think I did pretty well, and some of these I will incorporate in some recipes, so look forward to that, especially the salmon patties. Director, not so hot on them, but I'm going to make them really good, so he will love them. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.